Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the steps on how to make a ham and cheese sandwich. First, you put the ham on the pan. Hello everyone, I'm Harinity Junior and Tilos. And today we're making a sandwich. We have the mayo, ham, cheese, and bread. And of course, I washed my hands. So first, we will put the ham on the bread, and then cheese. This cheese is a little bit too big. And then mayonnaise, of course, my favorite. Spread it like an S, but larger. Like that. See? And then let's get the other bread that is stuck under here. Step one is the bread, step 2 is the ham, and then step 3 is the cheese, and step 4 is the mayonnaise, step 5 is the last bread. And here we go, the perfect ham and cheese sandwich. Thank you. Yum!